Hi everybody, this is a very exciting day because I have got this box in front of me here, and this box very excitedly contains the first ever book from Amazelab and myself, Leonie Briggs. So we are going to open it and unbox it together. So thank you so much for joining me. So it is very well wrapped, so we'll see if we can get inside this box. This is the first time I've seen a copy of our book in print, so we are sharing this excitement together. Hopefully I'm not damaging it with these scissors, but the book inside here is by the absolutely brilliant Crown House Publishing, who I'm forever grateful for, and this is our book, which is all about making STEAM subjects accessible using creativity and the colours of the rainbow. So are we ready? Oh, it is incredibly well wrapped. Have a look at it. Oh my goodness. Oh guys, wow, honestly we're doing this together. This is the first time that I have seen a copy of our book. Look at that. Wow, so Make Your Own Rainbow, a colourful approach to all things STEAM, is coming out this spring. It will be with you towards the end of April and early May. Oh, wow guys, that is absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to share this with the Mini and Amazelab crew, who so efficiently and effectively helped pop this book together, and to the absolutely amazing Jane, who was responsible for these wonderful photos. Oh, so thank you so much guys. Make sure you head over to the Amazelab socials, to Crown House Publishing, and get ordering your copy of our super new book. Thank you so much everybody.